Now coming to the first question, there are three baskets of fruits. First basket has twice the number of fruits in the second basket. Third basket has 3/4 of the fruits in first. The average of the fruits in all the baskets is 30. What is the number of fruits in the first basket? So let this be first basket, second, and third. So given that the average of the number of fruits in these three baskets combined is given to be 30, so sum of the total number of fruits in these three baskets together should be 90. Now there are first basket has twice the number of fruits in second basket. Third basket has 3/4 of the fruits in the first basket. So let me consider the fruits in the first basket to be 4x. Right. So 3/4 of that. This would be 3x. And first basket has twice the number of fruits in the second basket. So second basket has half of the number of fruits in the first basket. Now half of 4x, 2x. So 6x plus 3x, 9x is equal to 90, or the value of x is equal to 10. Now what was asked? We are asked to find the number of fruits in the first basket, which we had considered that to be 4x. So 40 should be the answer for this question. Now, given that x is equal to under root 5 plus 1 by root 5 minus 1, we are asked to find the value of x square plus x minus 1. So, x is equal to under root 5 plus 1 by root 5 minus 1 thirds. So, first let's rationalize the denominator, right? So, let me multiply both numerator and denominator with root 5 plus 1 and root 5 plus 1. So you will be having root 5 plus 1 whole square in the numerator, and in the denominator 5 minus 1, 4 under root, or this implies the value of x is equal to root 5 plus 1 by 2. Right. Now we have the value of x in that is root 5 plus 1 by 2. Now let's substitute that in the given expression, x square root 5 plus 1 whole square by 4. That would be 6 plus 2 root 5 by 4 minus, sorry, plus root 5 plus 1 by 2 minus 1. So the LCM would be 4. Then we have 6 plus 2 root 5 plus 2 root 5 plus 2 minus 4. Now 6 plus 2, 8, 8 minus 4, that would be 4 plus 2 root 5 plus 2 root 5, 4 root 5 by 4. Now this should be root 5 plus 1. So the answer for this question should be option B. Which of the following is an even function? Now what is an even function? Now if you have a function f of x, this is said to be even if f of x is equal to f of minus x. Right. For example, let me assume f of x to be x square. Okay. Now what is f of 1? 1 square 1. Now what is f of minus 1? Again minus 1 square 1. So x square is an even function, right? Now we need to find which among the following is an even function. Now let me consider option A, mod x square minus 5x. Now if x is positive, okay, then this would be x square minus 5x. Now if x is negative, then you will have x square minus 5 into minus x, which would be x square plus 5x. Now these two are not equal. So this is not an even function, right? Now x power 4 plus x power 5, right? If x is positive, then you have x power 4 plus x power 5. Now when x is negative, right, minus x power 4 plus minus x power 5. Now minus x, any negative number to the even power will be positive. So this would be x power 4 and this would be plus of minus x power 5. Now this is x power 4 minus x power 5. Now these two are not equal. So this is not an even function. Now e power 2x plus e power minus 2x. If x is positive, then we have e power 2x plus e power minus 2x. Now if x is negative, then we would have e power minus 2x plus e power 2x. Now if you observe, these two are equal. So f of x is same as f of minus x. So this is an even function. Now let's check D. Mod x whole square by x. Now if x is positive, then you'll be having x square by x, which is x. If x is negative, then you will be having x square by minus x, which would be minus x. So this is not an even function. So the answer for this question should be option C. If a b greater than 0, then the value of a plus b into 1 by a plus 1 by b is. Right. Now first let's multiply these two terms. So we'll be having a by a plus a by b plus b by a plus b by b. So this is 1 plus a by b plus b by a plus 1. Now this is equal to 2 plus a by b plus b by a. Now let me consider a by b to be x. So what do we have? This would be 2 plus x plus b by a is nothing but 1 by x. And we had discussed in the class that the minimum value of x plus 1 by x will always be 2. Right. So the minimum value of this entire expression should be equal to 4. So this should be a plus b into 1 by a plus 1 by b should be always greater than or equal to 4. So the answer for this question should be option D. Now coming to question from logarithms. What is the number of zeros coming immediately after the decimal point in the value 0.2 over 25? So this is an indirect question from logarithms. Right. Now to answer these types of questions, as we had already discussed in class, you need to apply log. Now log of 0.2 over 25. Now this would be 25 into log 0.2, which can be written as 2 by 10. So 25 into, this would be log 2 minus log 10, which is 1. Now we are given with the value of log 2. So this would be 25 into 0.30103 minus 1. Now this would be 25 into minus 0.69 something. Now 25 into minus 0.69 will be minus 17 point some decimal. Okay, you can ignore the decimal. Right. Now, if you have minus 17 point something as discussed in the class, right? So the number of zeros would be 17. So the answer for this question should be 17.